And then, in the beginning, there was nothing. And then, there was everything. When different notes find their common string, the music is simply magical. When separate colors dance into heavenly shades, the purity is shade white. When diverse emotions mingle, the fusion is humanity. When different cultures blend, the result is a lasting civilization. When people learn to live with each other, the harmony is eternal. When Ibrahim Qutb Shah the king heard about his son's love for a beautiful Indian girl, he thought it was but a passing fantasy, an infatuation of heat. But then one day, there was a storm, and the river Musi was in flood. Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah, however, wanted to meet his baby love and could not be denied. Braving all danger, the young prince swam across the turbulent waters. Bahadurji was ecstatic, but the king was appalled. He immediately ordered that a bridge be built across the river Musi, and it is that bridge of love that is today called Purana Pul. The love story between Muslim monarch and Hindu commoner has a wonderful ending. They got married and lived happily ever after. But not before they gave the Deccan the gift of her name. As a token of his love for his bride, Muhammad Quli Qutb Shah first called the city Bhagirati. When after marriage she was christened Hyder Mahal, the city was renamed Hyderabad. The construction of the city started with the Charminar, which was to be its centerpiece. Four roads were to radiate from this magnificent monument towards the north, east, west, and south. The road to the west led to the famous Golconda Fort. If Hyderabad starred in a romance that cut across religious divides, Golconda too was the stage where Hindu-Muslim amity took a divine bow. When Abul Hasan Kamra Shah, the master of the Qutb Shahi dynasty, heard that Ramdas, a Hindu employee, had used government money to build a temple at Bhadrachalam for Lord Rama, he was naturally upset. "I will repay the money if Lord Rama has mercy," said Ramdas humbly when questioned, and was promptly sent to prison with the order that he be released only when his Lord Rama settled his dues. In prison, Ramdas showed his jailers that as long as he had the power of prayer working for him, he was free. The jailers told their king about the miracles in the cell, but he was not moved. One day when Abul Hasan was sleeping, it is said that Lord Rama and his brother Lakshmana appeared in his dream and produced the receipt for payment of the amount due to the king. Next morning, the Sultan personally came to the cell where Ramdas was interned and relieved him, and became perhaps the first Muslim ruler in the history of mankind who was blessed with the divine darshan of a Hindu god. It is legends such as these that have set the tone for the evolution of Hyderabad, a city of lakes and a city of gardens.